work with a lot of business owners, but you're an investor, and you have been talking specifically about the volatility in the markets. You're very concerned about the volatility and its effect on the economy. Why?
Well, the street is so consumed with everything that's going on in Greece right now that, unfortunately, the other street, Main Street, isn't really chattering about that. I attend meetings all over the country with small and medium-sized business owners, and their main concern is getting back to work, getting their companies moving. For some reason, Greece is in the back of their mind. They know it affects them on a day-to-day basis, but the reality is they're more worried about layoffs on Wall Street and the fact that Bank of America might be letting thousands of people go. That's a real problem. That's a problem for our economy.
So besides the volatility, and we use the VIX to track that, and if you look at charts of the VIX, and like with Katie, you know, she watches the charts. If you look at the VIX, I mean, it's been nothing but just a roller coaster, right? I mean, that's just the intraday. Take a look at the last year, the last 2 years of this one, and forget it.
Well,
you say that this is really affecting everything.
It's affecting everything, and it all goes back to our warring political parties. If they are creating this instability in the marketplace, they need to stop it. We need to make decisions and move forward, Republican or Democrat.
And you say Bank of America, that's a stock that both Liz and I follow as journalists very well, but you say that if you point to a company like Bank of America kind of as an example, a threat of what's happening out there.
Oh, weren't they at a threat of being taken over by a foreign bank at one point?
Rob, you're very astute at this, and so Cheryl, why hasn't Bank of America broken itself up into a good bank, bad bank, putting Countrywide in, sort of like Citigroup did, and that might take the overhang off of the stock, right?
I would think that would be illegal. I would think that would be a legal issue, though. I mean, you've got the Merrill Lynch acquisition, you've got the Countrywide piece of it.
Yeah, but a good bank, bad bank structure would give some, I think, degree of confidence to the street that they're doing something to fix their problems.
Rob,
and sell it off easier.
Rob, last word. Are you bullish or bearish right now?
Well, I'm bullish. I have to tell you, I'm not overly. I don't feel confident about what's going on. Again, until things start getting better in Washington, I have real problems thinking that things are going to be on a positive note.